So my hot chocolate video bombed, but I mean, my chicken pot pie video is going insane, so it doesn't really matter. Anyways, so Christmas is just around the corner, and every year I make Christmas cookies, and I've done them 3 times, so this is the first one. This is the second time.
Okay.
And finally, here is my most recent and the one I just did.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
So without further ado, let me show you how to make it. You want to start by sifting a cup of flour into a bowl. And do it again so that now you've added 2 cups of flour. It's not going to be pretty if you try to do both at once. Then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of softened butter and about half a cup of sugar. Now you want to use an electric mixer and you want to beat both of them together until it starts looking like cottage cheese. Once that's done, start by cracking an egg open. And beat that for nothing more than 30 seconds. For a nice amount of flavor, add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And mix that for maybe 15 seconds. Mix it too much and the cookie will spread a lot. Then combine that with your flour. And then start combining it until small clumps of dough will eventually start getting larger. Once it's like Play-Doh, using clean hands, try to mix it around and knead it so that it becomes a nice fully mixed dough ball. Also make sure to not leave any dough or flour behind. Now using a rolling pin, you want to roll it out from horizontal to vertical. Then use a cookie cutter or a cup to cut out as many cookies as possible. Then take out the excess and roll it horizontally and vertically. And now you want to repeat these last 2 steps until you've made absolutely enough cookies possible. Finally, on a pan of baking sheet, try to fit all of your cookies onto the pan. Then, in an oven preheated to 375 degrees, gently place your cookies inside. Bake for like 12 minutes. If you bake a little bit more, it might become dry. After taking out the cookies, I'm surprised they actually don't look that bad, compared to what I made last time at least. For the frosting, because I'm lazy, I'm using store-bought frosting, and I'm putting about 1 to 2 spoons of frosting in each little cup. If you made around 10 cookies, only put 1 scoop so you don't waste frosting. Because red, green, and white are the colors of Christmas, I'm putting 4 drops of green into one frosting, 4 drops of red into the other one, and I'm leaving the other one plain. If you want to rewash your spoon over and over again, use it to mix it, but I used a toothpick since I can just get a new one. Now that both of them are fully mixed in with the food dye, we can start frosting the cookies. I'm not going to show you the entire thing of me making the cookies, but what I do is I just put a dab on it and then I slowly start brushing it in a circular motion. Here's me making all the red cookies. Here's me making all the white ones. And finally, here's me finishing the green ones. For sprinkles, I have this pretty small bottle of sprinkles, and so I just decided to just dab a little bit on each of them. I severely underestimated how many sprinkles were going to be in the bottle, but oh well. And there you go, you're done. Hey guys, so we're back with the cookies, and actually, they look really good, considering what I did last time. Yeah, what I'm talking about. Anyways, I got my nice cup of milk here, because, Santa cookies and milk. So yeah, let's try one. I'm going to try the green one. So I'd say it's actually pretty good. Although the frosting is pretty sweet, considering the brand I got, this cookie kind of helped to balance it out. So yeah, overall, I would actually snack on this. I give it a 7.5, maybe an 8 for decoration. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys next time, and we are so close to hitting 150. But can we do it before the end of the year?